Greetings and salutations. I am like squeaking. Oh, why am I prepubescent right now? Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today is gonna be a new store for both me and you guys. So I am very excited to experience going to a new thrift store with you guys as well. So I'm super excited. I am in the city of La Habra here in Southern California. This is my first time here. I'm expanding my horizons and I'm taking these like double thrift, like this thrifting weekend excursions to like another level. And I'm going out of my like comfort zone of stores that I normally visit and taking you guys along with the ride, or taking you guys along with me for the ride. And I am super excited. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, and you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. I do post videos every single day. Hit the little bell button to be notified when those videos do go up. And add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. Oh, I cannot talk today. Okay, anyway, here we are in front of the store. Let's go. I'm dying over this fake Chanel bag. That's crazy. Alright, you guys, I am scanning the bags to see what they have. So far, haven't spotted anything yet. I think this is a Betsy Johnson. The piping is coming out right there though, unfortunately. And this looks like a Marc Jacobs, but it's not. Hey, look at these, look like Sperry's, but they're not. Got some Nikes right here. Some Smith & Hawking boots. What are these? Want Studio 1987. Come in. Oh, look at these, are so fun. They're like fur and glitter. Oh, they're Sam Edelman's. These are like kid shoes. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, I'm kind of dying over this cookie jar. $3.99. So stinking cute. That's a possibility. This little duck is cute too. The little knickknacks are so cute. Like this is really nice too. Looks very anthropology-esque. Oh, what is that? It's like the top. Look at this camel. He's $4. I do love a good camel. What are these for? Ooh, a cat. This is an interesting vase. They have so much interesting pottery here. Ooh, blue and white. Oh, stop. What? My heart is beating. This is gorgeous. $6.99. This is beautiful too. $9.99. Let's take a look at this. Three Hands Corp. This one, this little ginger jar is missing the top. I wish it had the top. This is from Pick and Save? No way. It's down here. Gorgeous. How cute is this bird? Let's see what else we have here. So blue is half. Oh my gosh, this little mouse is so cute. He has a chip right there on his ear though. Cookie jar. Oh, this thing that says "Oh Lemonade." This is fun. Okay, let's look at this crown thing. Corona del Mar Florist. This mixing bowl is quite nice as well. Little bunnies. Oh, dog bookend, he's missing the other side of him. Alright, I'm having the time of my life in this store right now because they are producing some amazing things that I'm super excited about. Like all that blue and white stuff that I just found is half off, which is amazing. This strawberry thing is kind of cute. Alright, I'll think about that. Let's see what other goodies we have in here. Oh, these little owls are fun. So I'm looking for anything Pottery Barn, Anthropology. What's that blue thing? Here's the blue flower thing. This is cute. $3.99. Oh, this is hot chocolate thing. This is cute. Missing the top though. Oh, he's cute too. Alright, looking through the mugs. It's Venom. Spider-Man. I think that's Carnage. Venom, he has like a black outfit. Carnage is red. That giant Mickey mug. Those are from Target. Threshold, that kind of look like Anthropology. Alright, I'm looking through the furniture, or the box furniture, to see if they have anything cool. Sometimes they have some amazing stuff in here, and you just have to find out what they are. And a lot of the times you can just type in the style number right there into your Google search, and then it'll come up. So yeah. Ooh, look at this pillow. This is Target pillow. Toys. Oh, look at this elephant planter. He's so cute. Look at all these camels.
I looked it up and according to the...
It's pretty nice.
According to my computer, there's no such thing as a Whittier mansion.
Oh my gosh, these little, like, frogs.
Whittier, it said Pat, there's one at Pasadena.
Oh my gosh, this is like cute and scary at the same time. He has a belly button ring. I can't. This is interesting with the fish. So what else we have here? Slate board thing is kind of cool, from a brand called Spark. Where a few years ago these were like super duper popular. But yeah. Oh, they're kind of cool. I'll show you guys like the little booklet thing here. Put cheeses and stuff. Huh, I don't know. Think about this. In the meanwhile, let's look at what else they have here for us today. So far I've been finding some pretty cool stuff, so I'm very excited with this being our first time inside the store, so. Oh my gosh, what is this? Why do I think this metal chair is so cool? It's $2.99. They also have this like hummingbird brass sculpture. That's kind of cool too. So I just found this Kate Spade and a Tory Burch, so I'm super duper excited. Hey guys, okay, so just got everything inside the car. Oh my gosh, this store was so awesome, and we found such amazing stuff, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what I ended up getting. So do not forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when the haul video does go up tomorrow. So don't forget to tune in then to see all the awesome stuff that I found, and don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2 p.m. and let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys like the store. Let me know if you guys have been here. This is the Goodwill in La Habra. It's such a good store. It's my first time here and I'm super excited. The people inside were super friendly, super nice, and they had an amazing array of stuff. And for some reason, there was like no one here. So it was awesome. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! We had them on the kids' bunk beds right like before, but we got new. Oh, Liza. He wants to be in the vlog. We got new beds that actually fit, because these are the wrong size, they're too small. The other one, like the bunk beds, need a full instead of a twin. So there was like a little crack. Eliza was like falling in. There's Eliza. Hello. Oh.